Okay, now in this you can decide what you want to see. Go down to Inmarsat V, Inmarsat V. Okay, and one moment. How to change ocean region? You know, of course it is there. It is there in by clicking that keys you can do the changing of. Next is how to make a distress call in telephone mode. I'll show it to you. Then telex mode also. Then making a manual telephone call. I have explained it to you, but we'll do it in details today. Then how to do position setting. Then how to prepare and send a telex message. We have done that. But how to send telex message in conversation mode and set by default CES for distress calls. Then view your own identity. So now we will do all these things initially what were there. So go to set B. Okay, now to switch it on, you have to switch on here. Okay, it just see what all things it is doing. It is checking the Inmarsat ID. That means Inmarsat own ID. It is confirming that it is me. Then it will go the next step. It has to look at the satellite. Okay, it is checking the hardware. It has to log in with the satellite. What kind of antenna? Parabolic, gyro stabilized, directional dish antenna, radar. Okay, awaiting position update. So this is picking up the data, checking ocean region. All this data to be changed, we can do it. How to do it, we'll see later on. Okay, it is initializing. Once it is initialized, it will tell you it is ready. Okay. Now, within few seconds it will be ready. By default, it is checking a CES. You can change that if you do not want. That part we'll do later on. Okay. Now the equipment is ready. It has done all the alignments. It has done the update of the CES ID, ocean region. It has done everything. Now to do distress. This is telex and telephone. How will you do? First, let us do the, what did we do? We go to Inmarsat B, do the right click and the hook off takes place. Okay. Now hook taking off. Now dual mode, lift the flap and press the button. It is telling you keep it pressed till it tells you okay. Now it is asking you if you know the telephone number. If you don't know, just press hash. Okay. In that telephone, you can press 02 hash. Some CES. If not, it does on its own. Within few seconds, you will get a reply from the RCC.
This is Rescue Coordination Center. Over.
Now what will you say? You will say your Mayday call and message. Actually, you can just give your message only. Why? Because Mayday, Mayday, Mayday goes to all stations. This you are directly in connection with the RCC. So you can say Mayday, ship's name, call sign, Inmarsat B number, position, nature of distress, require immediate assistance, any other information over. Your message is over. Now the RCC will immediately give you a reply back and tell you what is the next line of action. Okay. So whichever sea area you are, area A1, A2, A3, where you get Inmarsat coverage, you can use this. Okay. So now you know how to send distress. Now you want to select a CES, you can do that. How will you do that? Lift the flap, press the distress for 5 seconds. Now it is telling you, so you want 06 hash. Okay. Select. By default it will do the same. Doesn't make any difference whether you are going to this CES or that CES. Finally it is reaching RCC. Agreed? You know what is distress? Very simple.
This is Rescue Coordination Center. Over.
Okay. Give your message. message, and then the further communication starts. Okay.
So that means the 06 and without number also, and one more the 36 or 38. That also goes directly to RCC.
No, 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 no. I'm talking about distress. You're talking about the 2-digit codes 3238. That is urgency. Now, what we press this button? No.
Yes.
Press the this button. By this 32 is not right.
Okay.
32 is not right. This is distress. 32 is urgency.
But sir, but now also we press 06.
CES ID. CES ID, no?
Okay.
So you want to change the CES ID, you can do that. Okay. Now you do not want to do distress. You want to do your urgency. Okay. How will you do? You know the 2-digit codes. 32 hash. So you already hooked up. Press 32 hash. It will do the calling. You will get hospital now. Okay. It is very easy method of sending messages on telephone. You don't go through distress mode for 3-2, huh? No. Direct.
Direct 3-2.
Here, wait.
This is medical advice and assistance service.
Okay.
Over.
Medical advice. Now what will you say? Pan, Medico, whatever details, ship's name, patient's details, and over. He will give you a medical advice. Complete. Okay.
Call sign and MMSI number also we have to give.
MMSI.
No need.
You are in side B. Give side B. No?
Side B number.
I'm giving you a rough idea.
Cell code.
Pan, Medico, ship's name, call sign, that goes without saying. Patient's details, jo bhi over. All you have to give, no MMSI, SAT B ID. Okay? SAT B ID. Of course, you will be getting it there, but in your message it should be complete. Okay? Now, the last duration call. Also, so now you want to do 38.
No, it's here.
It is maritime assistance.
Do it again. We'll do it as an exercise. 38 hash. Telex will do it.
Maritime assistance.
This is Rescue Coordination Center. Over.
Okay, because maritime assistance is physical evacuation will be done by the coast guards, port authorities, speedboat. So they will physically evacuate the patient. 39. Try. Whatever is programmed, you will get it. Okay.
This is Rescue Coordination Center.
Okay.
Over.
Maritime. Now, what is the next code? 4.
4-2.
Do it.
4-2 from medical RCC होता है. Safety से related issue.
Navigational service online. Over.
So navigational service online. So hydrographic region will do if you got any navigational information, navigational warning. So all security message will go on 42. Okay. 42.
सर इसमें क्या बोला?
Navigational services online.
Navigation.
Okay. Now you want to make a routine call. Okay. Routine call. The routine numbers are already programmed inside. I think 5569789 is there. Let us try that. So try 00 55 69 789 hash. If these numbers are programmed, you will see that it will make a call to SP radio.
कंफ्यूज है अभी सही है
So at least the call is going through. Okay, if the program number is already there, you will get a reply back also. It is a software, so you will get a reply back. So now you know distress, urgency, safety, routine. Anything you can do in telephony, Satcom B.
सर इससे ज़्यादा कुछ पूछेगा भी नहीं ना
इससे ज़्यादा है क्या? Okay, now इससे ज़्यादा है that changing some ID. Changing some ID, changing ocean region. Can we do it?
Yes.
Let us press the button, then see. You press that and see. It is asking you phone enter cancelled. Abhi cancel. Now press this. Now one moment. It is telling you right now it is in Indian Ocean. One moment. Press that again. Indian Ocean. EIK exit change. Up and down you can change. Okay, you want to change it?
Yes.
Change it. Okay. You want to change ocean region? CS, whatever you can play around with the equipment. Keyboard, ocean region, you want to change it? Okay. Indian Ocean, up and down. Provided you are there under the footprint. Okay. So now you want to change that CES Southbury aa gaya. See? So if you want a specific CES, you can press that button and go up and down arrow and select the CES. Change the ocean region, but in ocean region you got to be under his footprint. Then only it will log in. Otherwise it will log out. Okay?
टीयर आईडी क्या है सर?
The telephone IDs.
वो भी कर सकते हैं चेंज
Okay? Not ready. See? Because you are not under the footprint. Change it again to Indian Ocean. Equipment is not ready. Let it initialize. Let it initialize. Maybe you put in which one? Pacific?
No, I put it back on Indian Ocean.
Indian. So it will get ready on its own. Okay? So now you know how to change. Now there is an address book also in which you can store some numbers. Same like DSC. So you can do that. Right now it is not required because this is pre-programmed. Then there are certain mails which you can save it here. Okay, initializing is happening now. Okay, so now you know all the functions of these buttons A, B, C, D. The speaker on, so you can hear a louder sound. All the functions you know. Now let us go to telex mode. Okay, it is ready now. Okay, change view. Now see, in this telex mode, this is the first screen. Some people get scared that when you go into another mode, you have to come out and come here. You have to come out of that mode and come here. If you are stuck in that mode, you will not get this screen. Okay, so let us see what is there in file. New, open. Now wait. New means you can make a new message. Open means you can open a saved message. Conversation means you can send. You are in the transmit mode. You remember SATC? Transmit mode. So conversation is like transmit mode. Then you can do some dial directory, what is there within the directory, print the setup, you can change the configuration.
Takes in printer on.
Chalu karo. Okay, now go side arrow. Okay, now in this what are the things it can give you? Your own identity is there. Okay, press enter. That is your number, that is your call sign. Okay, close, go back again, SES, alt. Okay, navigation, date, stations means what are programmed within your station, as we said in DSC. Call log, whatever calls you have made will be logged in there. Status and self test. You should be able to do self test. So where will you go? SES unit, do self test. It is a pre-programmed self test.
Karo sir.
Enter. Okay, now see, the self test gives you all these things which are done on its own. Okay, and it will tell you pass, whatever, and you keep a printout of this.
हो गया था टेस्ट
On its own. System self test. There it is telling you.
सर दिस वन इज डेली और
You can do daily, no problems.
No
If
requirement.
equipment is already aligned,
monthly requirement है sir.
monthly requirement.
Monthly.
But you can do daily also. See, all the things which are done on its own, we will give you a report of this. Okay?
तो सर इसका प्रिंट आउट नहीं निकलेगा क्या?
इसका printout.
नहीं निकलेगा.
नहीं, in the live one, yes. Live one you can
इसमें
link,
प्रोग्राम नहीं है.
you can link this to the printer.
अच्छा.
Okay? Of course, in the print setup, you can check a print setup. Huh? In the SES unit, you can program that and get a printout of this. Close this SES, sorry, SES print, file, print setup, enter. In this, all those things you can, which
बट
port
ये इस वाले में प्रोग्राम नहीं.
you have to program it. Okay? So, okay now. Okay, now the next is distress. We have done this, but we'll do it again. Okay. In distress, you can transmit distress or test distress. So now, first let us do the testing of distress. Please confirm within 10 seconds to transmit distress. So confirm. Distress test in progress. Okay. This is a proper link test which is happening, like how we are doing PVT. In this case, it is doing the self-test on its own. What all things are there? It is contacting Burum. Burum is the station, CES. And the test is in progress. So it is linking itself with Burum CES, and you will get back a confirmation that the test has been passed. There it is, Netherlands. Ready for conversation. If you want, you can type some message, or it will complete the test on its own. Okay, you can type self-test. Self-test, enter. Okay, now the completion of test is done. You want to get out of this, press shift and dollar. It is telling you I am so and so. Okay, now shift and dollar. Now it is telling you that it is the same station. Now you want to close it. Okay, press escape. Okay, and alt F3. Okay, alt F3.
Alt
F3
to
close.
Dollar to ask who are you.
Shift dollar.
Shift dollar to ask.
और वो 4 डॉट वाला था सर वो.
No, in this case it is direct handshake or goodbye. Okay, close telex session, closed. Okay, so now you remember these two functions, because I was trying to remember. याद आ गया. When you teach, you remember. Okay, alt F3 and shift dollar. Okay, now you know how to do self test.
$1 for who are you, no?
Yes. Okay, now go back to distress again. Shift alt D, transmit distress. Now this is actual transmission of distress. Confirm within 10 seconds. So confirm. Distress transmission. Now this will send the message which is saved in your distress message generator, DMG. Okay, so whatever is saved within your DMG will go on its own, contacting the RCC through Burum. CES.
That it will detect automatically.
It is selecting on its own. These are your own details. Position is already updated from the GPS. Okay. Okay. If you need to add anything, you can add. Okay, clear now? Now you want to say close it. If you want, you can ask who are you.
अरे वो dot dot try on.
करो 5 dots.
Something should be. अरे कुछ तो हो गया.
5 dots done. He wants to try it out.
मैं डाउट इधर है.
नहीं enter. 4 dot. कितना 5.
Okay.
अरे सब try मार.
ट्राई कर रहा है.
पहले. 4 enter.
Close. Ask him who are you.
Just solar.
Okay. Confirming same station. Okay. Close the session.
Filter.
सर तो ये डिस्ट्रेस नहीं, ये भी टेस्ट ही हो गया फिर.
You? You are in. Why test? You are already in connection with the RCC. Yeah.
But last time also same thing came.
But then that was a test mode. Now it is live mode. You could type something more there. Okay. Now this part is clear. Now you want to send. You can either go by send file or you can go by conversation. Okay. Send file means directly pick up the file which is already prepared and select that number and send it to him.
Open.
Conversation means you get into conversation first, then you select the file and then you transfer the file. Okay, both are same. So let us go by conversation. Okay, in this it is asking you which number.
3 2 plus.
Okay, you want 3 2 plus. 3 2 plus. Enter. Okay. Okay.
अब हम पूछेंगे
Okay, hospital is there. You already prepared a pen medico message, or you can type.
हाँ सर वो कैसे?
You can type now. Type.
Sir we have to put.
Type now. You want to type, you can type. Now you want to send the file.
हाँ हाँ.
So go to file.
Now.
Go to file now. Okay. Now you want to open a file. Open a file.
Send file.
Open a file. Okay. Select whichever one. Okay. Assuming this is one. Open. Enter. Open में जाओ ना. Open.
अरे इंटर करता है भाई.
Alt O.
भी हाँ.
Okay.
गए.
No, this is the one. Assuming this is pen message. Now you send this file, or you send by send file means also, whichever way you want. Okay. Bas, so simple it is. So very simple. Or you go to send file, directly punch the number, and that file will get connected. Okay. Procedure is same. Only thing you are going through conversation first, or you are going through send file first. Clear now? Now you can do the same thing for 3.8, 3.9, 4.2, same way. Practice it. Set B, finish. Okay. If you have any difficulties, okay, while doing, if you have any difficulties, okay, get out of this, close the session.
अरे डॉट डॉट में खत्म.
डॉट से खत्म कर.
Message था, open कुछ नहीं. Okay, close the session.
Alt plus X.
Okay. Now you want to get out of this, and you want to train yourself by asking some questions to your own self. If you get stuck, the system is very easy. Go to tutor. Okay. Changing ocean region. How to do it? It will tell you. Press enter. Put it on auto. It will tell you everything. Press this, press that. सब कुछ बोलेगा. See, wait until the equipment is getting ready. Do the full sequence on its own automatically. You want to do it step by step, you can go in step by step, previous one. And see, then it tell you press this, press that. What we have done, that is the guide. Okay? Not difficult. Okay, so side B हो गया, side B हो गया.